Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Dennis in Illinois on his RCI-2970N2. Dennis, I got it ready to go for you, bud. Our power all the way down. 100-watt slug. Got it set at 5 watts all the way down. 100-watt slug all the way up. 400 watts. Average power swing. Hello. Actually puts the 100-watt scale in the corner. Let's go to average power of the 250-watt slug, see what we're doing average. We're doing about 125 average, which is really on the hot side. I do this and up just the way I did all of them, but every now and then you get some that just do a little more than others. 250-watt scale. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. 250 watts in the corner. Alrighty there, Dennis. It's ready to come to you. I sure appreciate it. If it's something like what you're looking for, just check us out on the web at www.truckscbsales.com. Bum bum.